Temporary rental bootstraps. I don't know the last time I've seen a bootstraps didn't have a rental tag on it. I'm just saying. It feels like every single one. That was the big blind? No, that was the small blind. Okay, if I take this, if I sell it, there's a very good chance that I can get the discard voucher. Okay, it's a riffraff, that's actually pretty good. Okay. I can just, wow, that is a horrible pack. Am I even going to be able to... You are kidding me. Alright, well, I see what Riffraff makes here. Of course, 2 jokers that sell for 1 each. Okay, at least I can score with that. Even if I have to spend every single discard to do it. Including the one I just got. Alright. It's already got the sticker on it. I feel like it does the job of Even Steven already. I'm going to sell it and try our luck with Riffraff. It sure is a nice golden joker I got here. I mean, it gave me this and this, so I can't really complain, but... we'll see. You know what? Maybe for a bit. Well, another discard. Too late for runner. That at least gives us something to go for. Still, I feel like... How are these scoring? Okay. Alright, that probably does the job of misprint. I think it's time to let go of Even Steven here. Solid. Hack on Gluttonous Joker. Okay, let's get rid of Popcorn for that, I think. Well, now I guess Riffraff is not doing a whole lot, so... Hack and Scary don't go well, super well together, but should be able to find something that makes use of it at some point. So we gotta, yeah, I mean, we can try this. Alright, I guess we have something to go for now. Probably double this 7. Something like this. We are going to get that telescope at some point. I mean, probably Nova over Michelle. Maybe Nova over Riffraff. Are we... I guess we're not completely committed to clubs. I'm going to leave that club, actually. Alright, yeah. Feels like all these jokers are doing roughly the same amount, so it's like I'm not quite sure which one's my worst. Oh, well, alright. See you, Michelle. Let's go get a $14 Jupiter here. Alright, well, fine then. I was hoping to play another flush first. Yikes. Come on, please tell me this wins. Yeah, it will. A Chad over a hack, or maybe with a hack, and then I can decide what else to do with it. I don't know. That's a Jupiter. Is High Card in any danger of catching up? Not really. We'll take a Chad. It helps abstract anyway. Play only one hand. We are going to have to play Club Flush. We got plenty of time to find it, though. With 4 discards, you would think it would not be that difficult to find. Okay, thank you. We're going to go ahead and Chad that scary face. Is it enough? Okay. Probably Drunkard over Hack. Take Overstock as well. Alright. It has to be like programmed to not pick the hand that you're playing the most of. I cannot remember the last time I saw Flush Orbital Tag. Honestly. I wonder what this does. Probably nothing. I'll go ahead and play the straight just because it's a straight, but... should not be this hard to find a second club flush, I'm just saying. I mean, I guess I haven't really, you know, thinned my deck at all, but I have so many hands at discard, I should be seeing nearly all of my cards. I hate to take an acrobat here, but it might be the play. Probably over drunkard. Let's get $25. We're going to need to do something interesting here. We can probably play 2 club flushes. One is our last hand. Yeah, like that is our last hand does not win. I'm actually going to play this flush to increase my supernova value. Finally got it. Let's go ahead. Yeah, we'll just do this. We're not fishing for anything interesting, but... Now we are going to get to the point where Telescope, if I keep having to... The thing about Acrobat is it kind of goes against Telescope, in a way. If you get what I'm saying. But that actually would have won if we... Well, whatever, it doesn't matter now. Alright, we got... I mean, we'll try this Celestial pack. We got Cryptid, Immolate, maybe just make more of these. Actually, Immolate probably would have been good. Yeah. Yeah, 100% Immolate. Oh well. That's on me. We have a Drunkard. We want this to get high enough that Gluttonous doesn't matter, but it's not quite there yet. That's pretty good. That's actually not going to help increase Acrobat, or this thing. It is still important, like... If I can play some things other than high cards, like pairs or whatever, as discards, or like as hands discard, you know what I'm trying to say, that's going to be good. Like here, I think... I don't want high card to catch up, so I'm going to play these aces together. I just don't know if this can last. Wow, nice. Wow, Cavendish. I would have taken that instead of Acrobat, but you know what? It's still fine. I'm going to take that over Gluttonous, I think. Yes. Alright. Finally got something going, and it's still better to go for this just because I do have more face... Well, it's really pretty close. Hey, does this do anything interesting? How much does that score? Okay, pretty good. In fact, I might just try to get a diamond flush here. Good. If I can avoid playing high cards, I do want to, and I know that wins anyway, so we'll do that. And an acrobat kind of doesn't matter, but it might matter at some point. We're still getting Jupiters out of this. At some point, Scary Face has sort of worn out its welcome, but maybe not just yet. I think I just need 2 flushes and that's good. Save that in case. Don't think it'll matter though. Oh, I could have fished for that gold card. Oh well. That's my bad. Ante 7. I still haven't... Yeah, I need something to get a sticker on. I feel like I can't get rid of Supernova. That's all of my plus molt. Well, Abstract 2. I mean, they're both good. Maybe Scary... Well, I think Scary is still what I would get rid of. This might be where we use Acrobat. I'm sort of treating it like a card sharp when I guess I really don't need to be. If I can play any flushes, I will. Just to keep it up, you know? While still making sure that... Okay, like, I think this... yeah, let's do it this way. Try to make another club flush after that. If I could get a spade flush here, it'd be really nice. There isn't a guarantee that I get another... Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just toss these. I think let's play this so that it counts as a pair. Could have even gone 2 pair, actually. Oh, wait. Yeah, I gotta do it this way. Okay, it's 19 away. I don't think by the end of Ante 8 it's going to be a concern. Alright, that's pretty good. Alright, so we got a lot of time to... Oh, grabber is nice. Got stickers on all those already. Maybe I can find a glass card. That'd be kind of nice. Oh, I should look at this. One random... I'm sure it's going to pick Acrobat on the last hand. You just know it will. This is at least a face card, so I'm going to take it. Well, that's a hologram. I mean, getting that on chat is like plus 30 molt. That's pretty solid. Yeah, I'll take that, actually. Any chance of a Justice, maybe? I can strength that. Maybe it just makes more sense to do this. Alright, we are in pretty good shape now. I'm probably going to get rid of... I mean, it's scary. I mean, with this chat, I'm like, I like base 200. This is not doing all that much. Alrighty, so you're going there. Well, you're... I mean, yeah, you're just going there. The thing is, though, what do I get rid of for a sticker? Because there's no point in winning this run if I don't actually get a sticker. I guess I'd probably get rid of Supernova, but that's kind of tough because that's almost a ×2. Okay, well, it doesn't really matter what order I play these in. Okay, just to see what this does. What are our Hierophant cards? We could use, sure, we'll do this. I don't think this will win. We'll just fish for our gold card after this. Oh, it does. Okay, so really, this is like giving us an extra ×3. We could probably get rid of the Cavendish if we find... Yeah, I mean, our best hand is going to be about 200,000. Well, that's still not amazing. What do we have in here? Yeah, I don't know that I can take any of this. I feel like Cavendish is what we would get... Well, no. No, it would be Supernova, wouldn't it? Yeah. I mean, it's like almost all our... Well, not really, because of Abstract. It's like 30 on 38. I think we could still do it. This looks crazy, but we need something to get a sticker on, and we can't sell these two. We're obviously not selling this. And this is better than this, and that doesn't make any sense to sell the negative either. So... Fortune Teller it is, I think. I mean, probably we're hoping that what gets disabled on the last hand is Supernova, or Abstract, but we can't sell that, right? So I think this is the play. Arrow, well, I have that sticker too. Maybe even, yeah, actually even Steven. Let's get the sticker on that. Because that's going to be, because it's foil. It's +4 molt. If we play it first, it's +12, which is better than this. I mean, it's better than anything we've got so far. We're going to do that. And we might find something better to take its place, but I think this is fine. $300,000, so let's just toss... Well, maybe try to keep this. Actually, I don't know. Let's do this, maybe. I don't think this gold card... I'm not going to try playing the gold card. Ooh, nice. That's probably better to copy that, then. Pretty good. So actually, Acrobat is not really doing a whole lot for us. That's probably our worst Joker right now. Oh well. Our worst Joker that is not one that we're trying to get a sticker on. I'm going to take the Judgment into the boss, and the reason I'm going to do that is if I can get really close to 400,000 but not quite, then I could sell, like, a Cavendish, and then Judgment, and see what it gives me. And it might be something I don't have a sticker on yet, so no reason not to try. Okay, what do I want? I could probably take this World, or I could get a Jupiter. I don't think a Jupiter is going to be the difference between winning and losing. I think World is more important. Okay, that kinda sucks. Do I just want to play something to get it off of that? I mean, Abstract is a better copy than even Steven. I think. Well, no. Yeah, unless I have 4 evens, that's better. Let's save this. That was a bad idea, actually. Okay. So this is plus 18. This, if I copied even Steven, it would be plus 16, so this is better. Okay, now move you over here. So that'll be that times 9. Now we're going to do this. This should be pretty high. Probably won't win, though. Again, the Cavendish? Chad, that doesn't matter. I'm actually going to go ahead and world here. No, let's just world that single... Well, So we got 3 diamonds left and 6 clubs. If I world the... Do I have any, like, cool cards? I think I want to just world... If I had a heart, I would do that, but... Like, hearts are worthless here, obviously. Part of me wonders if I should just take the chance that... Maybe... I'm seriously thinking about just throwing these hands and then playing World on the very last one. I can't sell... The thing is, I have to get a sticker on this. There's no point selling this, and this are both... Yeah, Let's just make sure we get 1 sticker. Oh, but it could also hit Acrobat on the last hand. I didn't think about that. The other thing I could do is I could world all of them. And then I have 2 left, and I'm looking for 4... Yeah, why don't I world all of these? I think that's a good play. So move this over here now. Actually, it doesn't matter because chat is disabled. See what this does. And I should be able to get 2 more spades in enough hands. That's the 3rd time Cavendish has been disabled. Wow. If I play this, I'm counting on getting 2 spades here. What I could also do is if I sold Cavendish here for a different Joker sticker. Oh, see, here's what I'm thinking. Sell Cavendish. Yeah, so here's the reason that I'm seriously thinking about selling Cavendish. After I play this hand, what is the probability I can win if it disables on the last hand Chad, Even Steven, or Abstract, but I probably lose if it's Blueprint or Acrobat, right? So, it's a 60% chance of it hitting something I can win with, right? So 3/5. However, if I sell Cavendish and use a judgment in place of it, then it could disable that thing I just got, because it never normally does the same thing twice in a row. Now it's 4 out of 6. 4 out of 6 instead of 3 out of 5, which is higher. For it to disable something other than Blueprint and Acrobat. If you see what I'm saying. The other thing is, can I get 2 spades after that? I'm not sure. Let me see. There's 11 cards left. I'd be throwing away 5. There's 3 spades left and I need 2. 42%. I don't think I do that. I think I play this. And I'm gonna sell... Yeah, I'm gonna sell the Cavendish because I can just copy Acrobat on the last hand. I'd probably do it even if it wasn't something I needed a sticker on. Because I don't need Cavendish on the last hand if I have Acrobat. So we're gonna sell Cavendish. Take this Judgment. Whatever. And now it doesn't really matter what we copy. I mean, it may as well be this abstract here. And now, just please disable something other than Blueprint and Acrobat. Alright. Well, we get 1 sticker. It's something. You know what? I will take it. So it actually did end up mattering, because it would have picked something other than credit card. That is funny. Alright, we got even Steven. I guess that's fine.